Imagine being able to vividly recall every moment of your life at the snap of your fingers. Sounds like a superpower, right? But this isn't just the stuff of science fiction. It's a real phenomenon called hyperthymesia. In a fascinating recent study, researchers explored the extraordinary abilities of a teenager who can summon her past experiences with remarkable clarity and detail. Moreover, she can anticipate future events with equally impressive precision, shedding light on how our cognitive processes intertwine memory and imagination. This incredible ability, known scientifically as autobiographical memory, refers to the long-term storage of personal events intertwined with our emotions, places, and relationships. We also encounter the concept of autonoetic consciousness, which describes our reflective awareness that enables us to mentally revisit past moments and envision ourselves in possible future scenarios. Led by Valentina Lacorte from Paris Cité University and the Paris Brain Institute, the new research scrutinizes this rare condition, emphasizing that instances of hyperthymesia remain limited and scholarly resources on the subject are still developing. As Lacorte noted, individuals possessing hyperthymesia, referred to as hyperthymesics, often have the ability to categorize their recollections by date. Some individuals are capable of detailing their actions on specific dates and reliving the emotions of those days, explained Lacorte, reflecting on the astonishing capabilities of these individuals. The study centers around a 17-year-old girl, designated as TL to maintain her confidentiality, who goes beyond mere recall. She expertly organizes her memories. TL possesses remarkable control over her recollections, a skill that is not commonly described among others with hyperthymesia. She categorizes her memories into what she calls a black memory for factual information and a more personal collection that contributes to her identity, stored in an internal archive she nicknames the White Room. Here, memories are systematically arranged in binders, organized both by theme and date, allowing her to navigate her past with ease. TL employs a fascinating strategy to manage intense emotional experiences. She metaphorically places painful memories into mental containers akin to a trunk housing the grief of losing a loved one. Additionally, she has fashioned adjacent rooms in her mental architecture dedicated to feelings like anger and frustration, as well as a room related to her father's military service. This unique mental organization observed in hyperthymesia cases integrates aspects of chronology, emotional regulation, and personal narrative, merged into a manageable framework. It showcases an effort to control overwhelming memories while maintaining the accessibility of important information. To assess TL's extraordinary memory capabilities, the researchers utilized established techniques designed to explore recollection of life events and the perception of mentally traveling through time. One tool called Tempo examines the sensation of reliving past experiences and distinguishes richly lived moments from mere factual information. They also employed the Temporal Extended Autobiographical Memory Task, TEEAM, to explore her ability to traverse timelines, examining how effortlessly she could oscillate between earlier memories and possible futures. Through these assessments, TL furnished impressively vivid and intricate narratives, transitioning between first-person and observational perspectives. The study also delved into the reliability of these memories. Interestingly, individuals with exceptionally strong autobiographical memory can still fall prey to distortions. As previous research has highlighted, even participants recognized for their superb autobiographical memory can create inaccurate recollections under standard testing conditions. Why does hyperthymesia hold such significance? This case isn't solely focused on remembering what has already happened. Scientific evidence suggests a remarkable overlap between the processes of remembering and imagining. The capability to vividly construct detailed scenarios about the future appears to engage the same cognitive mechanisms that assist TL in reconstructing her past experiences. The implications of this overlap extend into everyday life. The ability to project oneself into the future with rich sensory details correlates with improved goal setting, more accurate time predictions, and reinforced personal identity. Additionally, insights gleaned from hyperthymesia could help unravel clinical mysteries. If processes that enable us to recall rich details also aid in envisioning upcoming events, then impairments in memory recall might consequently impact someone's capacity to imagine their near future. Research has shown that those with highly superior autobiographical memory often experience swift retrieval of date-specific memories accompanied by an abundance of sensory detail. A systematic review revealed patterns of heightened activity in brain regions associated with autobiographical memory during recall events. However, there is still inconsistency amongst structural brain differences across different cases. While variations in functional connectivity sometimes present, anatomical distinctions alone cannot entirely elucidate these extraordinary memory abilities. Examining the human costs and benefits of hyperthymesia, many reported cases highlight potential emotional drawbacks, since the flood of painful memories can overwhelm an individual. TL's approach stands out because she effectively employs mental strategies to classify and isolate tough experiences without eliminating them from her consciousness. This intriguing strategy prompts essential questions concerning therapy and education. Could teaching individuals to structure their personal memories by themes and timelines facilitate clarity without intensifying emotional distress? Conversely, ethical considerations arise regarding whether a mind capable of retrieving such intense memories may feel pressured to revisit times others allow to fade, complicating decision-making and impacting mood stability. As the field advances, better methodologies are required to verify the accuracy of distant life events against concrete dates and sources. Longitudinal studies will also be crucial to determine whether exceptional abilities like TL's evolve with age or life changes. It's challenging to draw broad conclusions about hyperthymesia, since the findings rely on a limited number of cases. LaCourte summarized. Future research will need to involve larger sample sizes, stringent validation processes, and standardized methodologies across research laboratories. The findings are documented in the journal Neuroscience. If you found this exploration captivating, be sure to subscribe to our newsletter for more engaging articles, exclusive content, and the latest updates. Don't forget to check out EarthSnap, a free app brought to you by Eric Rawls and Earth.com. What do you think about the implications of hyperthymesia? Do you find the idea of recalling every detail of your life intriguing or overwhelming? Share your thoughts in the comments below.